Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
Not really. Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
No, not really.
No, not really.
No, not really.
No. Not really.
No. Not really.
Not really. No.
Not really. No.
37 million pounds? Not really.
Outside of work. No, not really.
You're a priest?
No, not really.
Did you get a look at his face? Not really.
You really don't give a shit if people like you or not.
Not really.
Hungry?
No, not really.
You have ID?
Not really.
Well, thank you. That's very considerate.
Not really.
So, it seemed like you knew Troy Bolton.
Not really.
You running again?
Yeah, not really.
You don't make much money, do you?
Not really.
Do you have the slightest comprehension what you're doing?
Not really. Do you believe in fate?
Not really.
Do you like selling chocolate?
No, not really.
Can you imagine that?
No, not really. You worried about the promotion?
No, not really.
Got any family, Dad?
Not really.
Not really. Either you do or you don't.
It's a long story, Tony.